Looking to start a profitable business or side hustle from home? The Mini CNC Router 2520T divided by 3040Z divided by 3040T might be exactly what you need. This powerful 3 to 4 axis CNC machine delivers precision wood engraving, milling, and cutting, perfect for everything from custom signs and nameplates to gifts and crafts. With a Mach3 controller, durable aluminum frame, and whisper-quiet 200W to 300W spindle, it's made for both beginners and pros. You can choose between USB or LPT port connectivity, and models with ball screws offer even higher accuracy. Most users earn $3,000 to $15,000 per month, just by completing a handful of jobs each day. Whether you're launching a side hustle or growing a full-time CNC engraving business, this machine offers incredible value and fast return on investment. Click the link below to grab yours before it's gone, and start carving your path to success.